Today we are going to see what's inside Lenovo LOQ laptop. So basically it is gaming laptop and it has graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX and it has got processor of AMD Ryzen 5. So let's open it from the back side of the laptop. First of all, open all the screws from back side. Some screws are of small size and some are of big size. Make sure you remember that. After removing all the screws, lift the back side of your laptop slowly and carefully like this, and you should have a tool like this. This tool is the safest tool to open the back cover of your laptop. So carefully open the cover of the laptop as I am doing. Your back cover contains a small lock, so don't break it. If you have nails, then you can use your nails to open the cover. That will be too easy for you. So we have this type of things in our Lenovo LOQ laptop. We have two fans, one processor and GPU, and we have protective cover for RAM slots. Here we have two slots, and in one slot it contains a RAM which is of 12 GB. So I will show you in zooming, so you can see there is written 12 GB DDR5. So we have got a faster RAM here and we can add one more RAM. Before taking out the RAM, make sure you disconnect your battery from the motherboard. I have already opened this laptop twice. I have disconnected the connector of the battery from motherboard, so it is safe to remove RAM. Overall, this is CMOS battery, this is NVMe SSD, this is Wi-Fi card. We have got a battery as well as two speakers. And if you are planning to service your laptop, you have to take all the screw out of this. And if you want to clean motherboard also, here are the screws. While cleaning, you have to softly brush your motherboard and clean the CPU part and GPU part, remove the paste and add a new paste in it. I have serviced this laptop, so I'm going to put the RAM in the right way. Make sure the RAM notch is in the proper alignment. Put the protective cover of the RAM and connect the battery in the motherboard. So let's check this laptop opens or not. It is taking firmware update, so let it be up to 100%. After the reboot, your Windows will work normally.